You already know that proteins or peptides are made up of amino acids, right? There are bonds that link these thousands of amino acids in protein. These bonds are called amide bonds or peptide bonds. And that is what this question is asking. Which of the following contains a peptide bond? Amino acid is a carboxylic acid that has an amino group attached to the alpha carbon. This is carboxylic acid. And this carbon here is known as carbonyl carbon. Any carbon following it is called alpha carbon. So, on this alpha carbon, we have an amino group, amine group. There are two functional groups in amino acid, carboxylic acid or arachidonic acid functional group, and amino group. What happens is that these amino acids will line up. One we bring is carboxylic acid functional group. The other one we bring is amino group. This is the first amino acid. This one has brought its own carboxylic acid functional group. The next amino acid will bring its own amino group. The COOH will donate OH group, and the amino group will donate hydrogen. And what happens is that water will be eliminated. And this is what we are going to have. I'm drawing this one now. Then instead of having OH here, we now have nitrogen linked directly. We now have a bond connecting carbon and nitrogen here. And that is this bond. And this bond is peptide bond. The bond is linking the carbonyl carbon of one amino acid with the nitrogen atom of the amino group of another amino acid. So if you check here, you will see exactly this. And that is A. This is not a peptide bond. Look at this. This CO doesn't have OH again. It is linked with nitrogen and carbon. But here, the CO is linked with nitrogen and oxygen.